Welcome to our Foxit Accessibility series. One of the things that does occasionally happen in a Foxit PDF or in any PDF is we run the accessibility checker and there may be some content that isn't tagged. Now notice tagged content failed 648 issues. So if that happens, the first thing to verify is, are there actually tags within the document? So I'm just going to increase the size of my screen here. And let's go down to the tags option on the left side. And there actually are tags. So how do we start the process of finding unmarked or untagged content in our Foxit PDF? From the Tags panel, I'm going to right-click at the very top, and I'm going to select Find. Now, what am I looking for? Well, I want to look for unmarked content. Now, I can search the page or search the document. I'm just going to search the document, and I'm going to select Find. And what happens is it takes me to where it is. Now, what you can't see is there's a small little indicator right here that there is something right there that is not tagged. Now, let's go to the next one. And that line is not tagged. So what we could do is we could re-tag this whole area, or we can come here and select Tag That Element and select what we want to tag it as, and there is a large list here. Now another way of tagging it, and I'm just going to cancel. Once it is selected there, if you don't want to tag it through here, over on the Tags panel we have a couple of little options. So the first one here is to add a tag and remove a tag, but we can also do a right click and from here do a new tag. If it was still selected, we could do a new tag based on it. Again, we used the Find and we looked for unmarked content and we selected through, and then we could have tagged it from here. So there are several ways of going through the document and picking up the elements that are not tagged. Now there is one more method. I'm going to turn on from the left-hand side a right click and I'm going to look for content. And when I expand content, annotations, and then within here I can click through and I can see content. Now if I navigate to page 3, there's a table of contents in page 3, and it was this area here that was not picked up. So that's in my table. And if I scroll down, there are some things in here that have already been marked as an artifact, and my tag feature has not picked those up as an artifact. And I can click all the way through here and see the individual items. If you've liked this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.